Hey guys, Megahertz here. Today we have a special build for our favorite architect slash YouTuber, architect Oliver Austria. He was recently lassoed into this hobby by a few friends and yours truly, of course, and has been going headfirst into this rabbit hole. First off, we have some Gazzew Boba U4Ts. Say that 10 times fast. Then we have the C3 stabilizers, V3 of course. And we have our KBDfans Keycaps. Next we have our top secret mods. Not sure if I'm gonna show you guys, but let's see. Next we have our star of the show, the Grey Studio Space65. Now it has been built on before, and it already has Milmax sockets on it. But hey, we're building with new switches, new keycaps, new stabilizers, and everything else is new. So let's just ignore the fingerprints. We just got a little bit excited for it. So let's get to modding these stabilizers and installing them on the PCB, which I think in any custom keyboard will make or break the keyboard itself. Anyway, lubing them with Krytox 205 grade 0 and wholly modding them with the included mods inside the box of the C3 V3s. I love how they include them, by the way. They're just pre-cut and really sticky, so they don't come out no matter what happens. Sometimes when the band-aids from Holy Mods come out and then they just ruin and make the stabilizers gunky and sticky and they make it stuck. So these are really good improvements for that, if I may say so myself. And they sound good as well. They included some other mods, some band-aid mods and some extra foam inserts for the stabilizers, but I'm not gonna use all of them because I already balanced the wires, so there's no need for those. So of course, since we're living in this era of having PE foam and tape mods and everything, I guess we should include it in the build as well. So I already pre-cut these tape mods and the PE foam. So we have the Gazzew Boba U4T. They're lubed and filmed with Tribosis 303 and Deskeys films. I know you guys don't really like filming the Gazzew Boba U4Ts, but then in my opinion, it makes it sound a bit deeper. If you want to film them, sure. If you don't, it's fine. But we prefer filming them since we're already opening the switches, so why not, right? Personally, I really like the carbon fiber plate. They sound awesome. They're not that flexible and you know, they do the job well. I think they sound a lot better than aluminum, but they're not as flexible as Palm or PC. But hey, if they sound crispy, it's my jam, man. So next we have the top secret mod. You know, we put a lot of thought into this. It's been lingering in our minds ever since we started this build for him. Since he's an architect, we put construction paper.
Why are we still here?
Architect, you know? Construction, architect. They do those things. They do construction.
Every night.
They have construction.
I can feel my
How do you
leg
say that?
and my arm.
Yeah, they do that. Yeah.
Even my fingers.
So what keycaps are we gonna put in? So these KBDfans keycaps, let's unbox them. And there we go. They're KBDfans black on black keycaps. PBT Dye sub. Very reliable set, actually. Love this set. But I hate how they package. Like, seriously, KBDfans, you could do a lot better. It's 2021. People don't use these types of packaging anymore, especially for these kinds of keycaps. Let's roll them B-rolls. I really like how the Space65 looks, especially with that side lighting. Can't really go wrong with that. The look, the feel of the keyboard. That's why I have one myself. This is not the one. This is not mine. This is his, of course. R1, R2. Doesn't matter to me. They're both cool. delivering to a very special customer. Hindi disturbo muna. Delivering the splurge.
Ayun eh.
You know.
Oh my lord.
Here we go.
Ooh.
It's complete. You know.
Ito na madudes. May mods daw na ginawa. Si Sir Megahertz. Megahertz ba tawag mo sa channel?
Yeah, you can say that. Yeah.
Alright. Oh.
Reaction.
Okay, so inalis niya. Ito yung isa sa mga katanungan ko eh. Kailangan ba alisin to?
Actually, it's mostly preference kasi for me,
Ooh.
I kind of like it na medyo mas defined yung thought ng ng switches.
Ito na. Tapos muna natin sa foam para
Yeah.
talagang kung anong tunog niya.
Oof.
Yung bago.
Got that felt.
Yes, I like this. Ito yung gusto kong ano. Actually, kadadating din ng ganito ko na ano.
Which one?
Na pick-up set.
Ooh! Tamang-tama lang pala.
Tama. Oh, that deep enter.
You know.
Mamaya, savor muna natin yung mga modifiers natin bago tayo pumunta sa spacebar. Oh man, that's so deep. Yes! Ibang-iba siya dun sa lychee.
Oo.
Talagang feel mo yung pagpasok pa lang.
Yeah. And compare it to browns.
Oh man, the browns. Browns are trash.
Browns are trash club.
Pero nung umpisa talaga yung browns, I'm like, wow, sarap
Yeah.
ng feeling.
Yeah.
Yung nalug na browns. Pero nung namulat na ako sa katotohanan ng mga mamahalin na switches,
Woo!
there's no coming back, guys. Wala
Yeah.
na.